let me talk to y'all real quick. Anybody who doubted me, I'm gonna shit on y'all asses so fucking bad. You, and you. Are you getting into it? If you don't thumbs up this video, you's a motherfucking hating ass bitch. Okay, let me get myself together. Hey guys, what's good? If you're new, welcome to my channel. This is lit, like. And if you've been here before, then you already know what it is. And you see the glow up and you see the level up. Big thing agwan. But yeah, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. This is all Kalisabeauty products. Their lip gloss. I'm wearing their eyeshadow. I'm telling you right now, if you thumbs down this video or if you don't like it, you're a hater. Seriously, like, I'm really talking to you right now because I see the views and I see the numbers. And I see y'all people coming and are subscribing. You know what's gonna happen? That's what's gonna happen. Let me stop. Hope you guys really like this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. No, but for real, I hope you all like it. I like it. Yeah, peace out. This is in the shade Ice Me Out. And I only have the squeeze tubes. They have the wand tubes. This is the box that it comes in. So nice. This is a swatch of it. It's like a really light, cute purple, pinkish shade. Like, it's really pigmented. Looks really cute. So I was thinking this shade I wanted to use. Nice. Super pigmented. All of their shadows are like super pigmented. And that, so I'm gonna probably use those two. I'm gonna put it on top because this is the shade I really wanted to use. Oh yeah. Definitely gonna use that. Okay, so I'm gonna go with those. Yo. And just rub it to get the excess off my finger. And their brushes. This is one of their brushes. Can y'all see the logo? I'm gonna like blend it out. I'm gonna blend this out. You see how it's blending out pretty nice. Blending out nicely. This brush. Yeah, I just want to spread it out. So with this, I'm gonna spread it all over my eyelid. I'm gonna comb. Super Soaker and over this lip gloss, and I'm gonna see how it looks. Ooh. Send it Addy, we gonna slide.